Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on About Phone section at the top. Following that, select Storage under Device Name. Scroll all the way down and tap on Free Up. Now, after a couple of seconds, click on Clean Up again and wait. As you can see, storage of my Xiaomi was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!